Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. It is Box Bouquet Palooza here in my Fortress of Craftitude. I do a lot of these videos with box bouquets that I get off of Amazon, and I finally took the plunge and had imported my own box bouquets. So I have a few varieties for sale. This one is the burgundy and pink roses. So as you can see, there's a number of roses here. There is only one stem of foliage, and then there's a couple of doodads that you can use in corsages or boutonnieres too. And those don't have stems on them. But like I said, it's majority roses. There's a few carnations in there. What drew me to this particular box set was the quality of the stem. As silly as it sounds, a lot of the flowers themselves look really good in any box bouquet, but I'll find that it will pop off of the stem. They should be glued together. The stem's too thin or too thick or too stiff and won't bend. And you can really work with these stems and feel like they're going to hold well. And on certain flowers, they are actually glued in, which I appreciate. It's one less step that you would have to do to put them together. So as I said, I am selling these. They are on my Shopify store and then also through my website, orlandorose.com, or you can navigate right back to the channel. And there's links to both my website and the Shopify store through my YouTube channel. But it comes with one white rose, which I'm going to use as the focal. The lighter, the brighter, that's going to be your focal. And then I work the darker colors towards the bottom. There's a lot of the dark pink, which I can use as like fillers in between. Just being careful to evenly space everything. I think that's the key with this bouquet. And of course, you can do any shape. When it comes to all roses, I really like the classic like roundy moundy, I guess. And I do like them close together without the foliage. It's such a clean look to it. You can go ahead and even glue some artificial leaves underneath the bottom so you don't see your mechanics. Or you can wire up and add your own foliage, some ivy hanging down if you'd like. Or what I'm going to do here is add some ribbon loops. And this is a great opportunity if your bridal colors are like maybe black and pink, or a color that you don't normally see in a flower. So you could add black tufts of ribbon underneath there to hide the mechanics. I've just got white right here, and I'm just doing 2 loops that I'm going to gather with I think it's a 26 gauge wire, and tie that off. So I made about 6 or 7 of these loops already, and I'm going to work them around the base there and then wire everything all together. Like I said, that will hide the mechanics for it. You can go with streamers on them. I do like having the tails on the ribbon loops because it gives that little bit of movement that you're missing with using artificial flowers versus fresh flowers. So as you're walking down the aisle or going to your event, you have that kind of flowiness. However, like I said, you don't have to do the tails on the ribbons, or maybe you could do a little bit fewer. They do sell like bonnets that go underneath too. You can get those at Hobby Lobby that will hide the mechanics as well. Or you can add some rose stems along the outside of the actual stem of the bouquet that you have here. I don't know if that made sense, but it'll look like fresh rose stems on the bouquet handle. I'll put a link at the end of this video to that video on how to add rose stems to your bouquet. But when you're all set, it was quick and easy. A box bouquet set. Like I said, you can grab this on orlandorose.com or go right to our YouTube channel, to our Shopify account. Thank you so much for watching.